everyone. Happy Tuesday. So what we're doing today, go ahead and do the attendance question. Today's agenda, yes, I watched the instruction video. And then for star slides, so again, grab your star slides so you can fill them out as we go through today's assignment. Flip through today's slideshow or view of yesterday's star slide. Calculating the speed. If you did not calculate the speed from yesterday's assignment, do that. I'm talking about graphing and speed. This is a star slide we're filling out today. So go through and look at the essential parts of the graph. We're looking at a speed graph. Speed graphs always have time on the bottom and distance on the side. And we're going to figure out what these lines mean. So flip through all of that. We have constant speed and not moving. So if it's just a straight line at any angle, that means it's constant speed. So that person is going 5 miles per hour that entire time. If we have a flat line, that means that time is going forward, but distance isn't changing, meaning that they're not moving. But you can also have curved lines. So talking about increasing and decreasing. So a decreasing speed, so we have that steep slope, which means that they're going fast, and slowly getting flatter and flatter and flatter and flatter so that they're not moving. For increasing speed, we're starting with almost a flat line, meaning they're going very slow, and then slowly getting faster and faster and faster and faster. So starting fast, ending slow, starting slow, ending fast. And so we're going to create our own graph based on our data from yesterday. So this is based on yesterday's wonderful data. And so you're going to add a title. You're going to add X and Y axes. Intervals will get back to you. And then label your axis. So one is going to be time, one is going to be distance. So which one is that? Surprise, distance is over here, time is down here, making sure you leave enough space to add numbers. And then creating your scale and your axes. So for distance, you need to start at 0 feet. You have that 0 there, go all the way up to 240 feet. So figure out if you're going to go by 1s, 5s, 10s, 2s, 12s, whatever it might be. So you can start at 0 and get up to 240. For this one, for your time, again, you have to start at 0 and it goes up to your max time. So if it took you 18 seconds to get around all of the bases, you'll go 0 to 18. If it took you 30 seconds to get all the way from the around the home plate, you have to go 0 to 30. If it took you a minute and a half, you'll have to go from 0 to 90. So try to figure out what your range is going to be. And then decide you're going up by 0.5, 1, 5, 10, 20. What are you going up by? And then you have to plot your points. So you have to plot a 0, 0, and then your 4 points along your time and your distance. And then we have a booklet. That booklet is at the end of the assignment today. So match what each part of the acronym TAILS means. What are each of these graphs telling us about their motion? And then graphing your speed data. So that speed data, so this is the Kami assignment. We're using Kami today, not Google Docs. You're going to open this up. And you have your axes, but now you need to do the rest of TAILS like you saw in here. So go back. Looks like slide 19. So start off by putting your name in the top right corner. Again, over here you have text box will be super helpful. So click, you can type things in. You can also change the color of it. So if you want it to be a different color, you can do that as well. And then shapes is where you get the line tool. So if you need a line or if you need a circle, you can change the color of it here. Obviously erase. You just want to draw stuff in, you can. If you want to do a markup, like a highlight, you can do that as well. And so that is that. Also, up top, open yesterday's data table. This is a link to yesterday's data table. So open this up, it'll bring you to the running lab that you did yesterday. And then this link just brings you directly to the slideshow for today. So if you want to just flip down here so you can see stuff a little bit larger, you can do that as well. All right, so that is that. I think I'm also going to make another video and put that in here with a little more concrete explanation of how this all works. And so, yeah, that is what we're doing. So make a graph there. And again, go to the next page. Extension, Blooket. So I have a Blooket based on force and speed. I have a tower defense version, a cafe version. You can do one or both. And you can use your star slides or not use your star slides. Check to see that you did everything. And that's what we got going today. If you have any questions, let me know and have a great day. Bye.